Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have another NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 4. We have Harrison Burton's 2022 Next Gen car. On the back you can get other cars like Brad Keselowski, Cole Custer, Joey Logano, Kyle Busch, and Austin Cindric. Let's get Harrison Burton out of the box. So here we have the sticker, Harrison Burton, the classic number 21, Ford Motocraft, and obviously the side pattern of the car. Here is Harrison Burton. So Harrison Burton is the son of Jeff Burton, which if you are new to NASCAR, or, just as a reminder for those, who Harrison Burton is. So obviously he is a rookie because of the rookie stripes on the back of the car. And speaking of this car, the car is basically still the same paint scheme as all the other cars throughout history of the 21 car, obviously the same sponsor, but the same scheme from Trevor Bayne all the way to Harrison Burton. The classic Golden 21 and the classic 21 font, Ford Motocraft, which is always on there. And on the side here, as the 21 is now moved to the side, so you've got Quick Lane, Ford, and Motocraft, which usually the sides will usually be different. Like you'll have Dex or another brand, FordParts.com. Obviously, the single lug nut on the tires, obviously. A single exhaust system, double diffuser. And on the back, you got Ford Motocraft, and obviously the rookie stripes, like I said, because he is one of the few rookies. One of the three rookies, in the series. For this year. Let's give a 360 view of his car. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more NASCAR Next Gens coming out later this week.